What is SADMEG? SADMEG. Sounds like maybe your aunt who's not very happy. But SADMEG is not a person. It is just GEMDAS backwards. It is GEMDAS backwards. Now, some of you have heard of PEMDAS. But now that you're older, you should be looking at GEMDAS, because parentheses are just one type of grouping symbols. So we've replaced the P with the G of grouping symbols. So that is GEMDAS is what we use, now that you're older, for remembering order of operations. So grouping symbols, then exponents, then multiply and divide together from left to right, and then add and subtract together from left to right. Well, SADMEG is how we do algebra, because SADMEG undoes everything, and that's the whole point, if you remember the rules of algebra, is we want to undo what's happening to the variable. So we first look for any subtraction or addition that we can undo, and in this time, instead of from left to right, we're doing everything backwards, so we're doing it from right to left. And then we undo any division or multiplication from right to left, undo any exponents from right to left, and then undo any grouping symbols also from right to left. And SADMEG then lets us solve algebra problems by following the backwards order of operations, and so we can undo things. So subtraction, addition from right to left, division and multiplication from right to left, exponents from right to left, and grouping symbols from right to left. And if you follow this, it's one way to solve algebra problems. And there's lots of ways to solve them, but this one works pretty well for beginners.